Guys, again. So let's continue our chapter 4, which is internal assessment. And in the last video, in the last lecture, we came to the functions of marketing, and we're going to talk about customer analysis, selling products and services, um, product and service planning, pricing, distribution, marketing research, and opportunity analysis. Let me do the F5 now, and you can see the slides, right? And customer analysis, the examination and evaluation of consumer needs, desires, and wants involves administering customer service, analyzing consumer information, evaluating market positioning strategies, developing customer profiles, and determining optimal market segmentation strategies. Essential in developing an effective mission statement. Uh, So in here, desirable characteristics of ads today. Desirable characteristics of ads today takes our direct aim at competitors. So leaner, meaner, and to the point. Be less lavish and glamorous, requiring less production dollars to develop. Be short and sweet, mostly 10 to 15-second ads rather than 30 plus seconds, and make you feel good or put you in a good mood because ads can be more easily avoided than ever and people are experiencing hard times and seek comfort, but be more pervasive, such as on buses, elevators, cell phones, and trucks, appear less on websites as banner ads become the new junk mail. The red will overtake the color orange as the most popular ad color, more than ever emphasize low price and value versus rivals, more than ever emphasize how the product service will make your life better. So in the next slide, you can see the product and service planning. Product and service planning includes activities such as test marketing, product and brand positioning, and devising warranties, packaging, determining product options, features, style, and quality, deleting all products, and providing for customer services. Important when a company is pursuing product development or diversification. Um, Guys, pay attention to this point that product and service planning is important when a company is pursuing product development or diversification. So, pricing, five major stakeholders affect pricing decisions. They are consumers, governments, suppliers, distributors, and competitors. Sometimes an organization will pursue a forward integration strategy primarily to gain better control over prices charged to consumers. And in here, distribution. Distribution includes warehousing, distribution channels, distribution coverage, retail site locations, sales territories, inventory levels and location, transportation carriers, wholesaling, and retailing. Especially important when a firm is striving to implement a market development or forward integration strategies. So, marketing research, the systematic gathering, recording, and analyzing of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services can uncover critical strengths and weaknesses, right? So that's the reason cost of benefit analysis. Three steps are required to perform a cost benefit analysis. Compute the total cost associated with the decision, estimate the total benefit from the decision, compare the total cost with the total benefits, right? I will repeat again. So cost benefit analysis, when you're doing the cost benefit analysis, you have three steps are required to perform the cost benefit analysis. There, computing the total costs associated with the decision and estimating the total benefits from the decision and compare the total cost with total benefits. So note the example total benefits is direct profits from products and services, decreased production costs due to improved and standardized product processes, right? Okay, uh, and here, marketing audit checklist of questions, as we did earlier in the earlier slides, the earlier lectures, we had that kind of checklist of questions. And here again, so the first one, how the market segmented effectively. If the organization positioned well among competitors, had the firm's market share been increasing? Are present channels of distribution reliable and cost effective? Does the firm have an effective sales organization? Does the firm conduct market research? And does the firm have an effective promotion and advertising and publicity strategy? Are marketing, planning, and budgeting effectively? So, you guys are understanding the questions, right? And finance and accounting functions. The functions of finance and accounting comprise three decisions: the investment, financing, and dividend decisions. So let's look at each one. So investment decision, the allocation and reallocation of capital and resources to projects, products, assets, and divisions of an organization. Financing decision determines the best capital structure for the firm and includes examining various methods by which the firm can raise capital. And dividend decisions, what is it? It concerns issues such as the percentage of earnings paid to stockholders, the stability of dividends paid over time, and the repurchase of issuance of stock. Determine the amount of funds that are retained in a firm compared to the amount paid out to stockholders.